good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, depending on the time that you are watching this. We are back once again to your favorite show, Candor About Nature. I am Francis Rosus Albid, and I am your host, where we talk about not only the problem, but also solution to that problem. Today, we will give attention to a problem faced by a local community where a piggery operates. The residents of the Barangay Pono, Pula-Pula City, claim that the said piggery is disposing its waste directly to the ocean nearby. We have kasamang Vic for the details.
Yes, kasamang Al, we are here at Barrio Puno, Pula-Pula City, where fisher folks and everybody in this community is complaining about the foul smell coming from the shore. Reportedly, a piggery is disposing directly its waste to the ocean. We have interviewed one of the fisher folks to explain their situation.
Ngapon ra sir, salamat sa pagduaw sa among lugar nga among lugar nagproblema in taon mi kay purte na yung bawa sa among lugar. Nya kami taong mangingisda dire. Naglisod taon mi og halin sa among isda kay among lugar karon gibantog na nga barangay Baho. Nya kung ang mga mamalitay isda sa gawas may bawaan nga ari magikan ng isda para nilagod ang isda hugaw kay tungod sa naitabo karon nay dako kay.
The residents have also claimed that some of members of the community have already experienced breathing problems, nausea, vomiting, and a habitual dizziness.
Among problema karon sir nga matabangan tami aning among lugar nga porte ng Bahoa tungod aning dakong pigiri nga ari kay pagawas ang mga hugaw sa baboy. So karon ang ako lang untang hangyo nga matabangan sa medyo taas-taas sa mga munisipyo or mas taas pa kaya among barangay wa po'y aksyon. Kana wa sa ko kabaw kung ano.
Kasamang Al, this is the sewerage pipe that channels the waste from the piggery directly to the ocean. The people in this community and the fisher folks particularly are pleading for help.
Actually, my piggery had started way back June 2021. Then we complied all the requirements, starting basically with the barangay clearance, then mayor's permit issued by the mayor's office. Nasad tay environmental compliance certificate. Gawas ana ang ato ang piggery tungod ani nakahatag ta og daghang trabaho sa mga lulupyo aning barangay. Where in fact, we have more than 200 employees sa ato ang piggery. Then gawas ana nakahatag sa tagdugang income sa ato ang barangay. Not only in our barangay but including sa ato ang city. Gawas ana ang baboy in demand jud kayo, labi na kay karon ting abot ang Disyembre. No, daghang magpalitson nya. Gawas ana ang baboy marketable, dali lang mahalin. Tungod kay daling mahalin, paspas ang kanang tuyok sa ato ang negosyo nya. Magkadugay atong negosyo, magkadugay, magkadaghan sa atong hatag nga oportunidad sa mga tao nga lumulupyo aning lugar.
To explain to us the legal implication and remedies that can be done for this community, joining us live, the environmental law expert, no other than Attorney Vince P. Lariza.
Thank you very much. I'm glad to be here.
Attorney, what remedies do we have under the law for our fisher folks?
In my opinion, actually, it's not only for the fisher folks, but also to the community in general. Can be addressed through an environmental tort action.
Okay. What do you mean by environmental tort action, attorney?
Environmental tort, according to our jurisprudence, it is a hybrid of tort law and environmental law, and may provide an institutional answer that addresses the remaining gaps in public health protection. Environmental harm may include immediate and future physical injury to people, emotional distress from fear of future injury, social and economic disruption. As we have heard, the fishermen were struggling with low income already. It might environmental tort action may come in, remediation cost, property damage, ecological damage, and regulatory harms. In this case, the fisher folks and the community may take action against the owner of the piggery for environmental tort. And there is no question that the release of swine waste to the ocean is an environmental hazard and a violation to our existing laws, particularly the Clean Water Act. Indemnity may be recovered by the residents through action on environmental tort because, as they claim, they have experienced breathing problems, irritations, and some of the residents are experiencing symptoms like vomiting, nausea, and habitual dizziness. The very immediate action that should be taken is for the closure of the piggery and enjoin it to detoxify the ocean, specifically for the benefit of the communities which were affected.
We're very privileged, attorney, to have you here in our talk show, Candor About Nature, for explaining us the legal remedies that can be used by our citizen that are affected in this environmental harm.
Yes, thank you very much, and always a pleasure to be in your show. I'm very glad, and you could always call me anytime.
Yes, attorney. Again, that's all. I am your host, Francis Ursus Albin. Candor About Nature.